Hi all, you got a Shark vacuum, a Shark Navigator Freestyle. Great vacuum, but the batteries go out after about a year. So I hem-hawed around it, and I finally decided to go with a generic battery. I thought I'd give it a try. So the battery is just in here. That just slides in. This thing goes up and down here, and then this slides off, and then that's what the battery looks like. So I read some of the comments on Amazon about the batteries, and I think what some of the problems is there's two batteries for the same vacuum. There's a 10 volt and there's a 14 volt. So if you can read the fine print here, just make sure you order the right one for your vacuum. Okay, don't even bother to try to get it with the camera. You have to read it with a magnifying glass. So here's the generic one. It was $39. There was only, when I read it, there was 58 reviews. Most of them were good, but there was a few bad ones. But what I'm thinking is the bad ones were the people who ordered the wrong battery. So I guess it's a long shot. Hopefully, if it doesn't work, Amazon will take it back. So we'll just have to wait and see. So you can see it looks like the same. I think there's another style too that's a little wider. There's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 batteries hooked up inside there. And there's another model that's a little wider. If you go on Shark website, I think it's sharkclean.com, they won't let you order the battery through the website. You have to call up. And that's probably because people are ordering the wrong battery. So I'm guessing, but I figure that's what it is. So it looks like the same plug. Looks like the same battery. Okay. It's probably the same thing, but Shark just adds another $20 to it. So if you buy them from Shark, they're $59. This one off Amazon was $39. So that's a big difference. So it would have been nice to buy a regular Shark one, but 59 bucks, you might as well buy another vacuum. So hopefully it won't blow up here. So if I can figure out how it goes in here. Oh yeah, this is the one that's always hard to get the cord inside there without breaking the cord. See, and then how do you set this aside? Must be a trick to it. See, I'm going to stick it back behind here. Here, see if you can get a picture of that. There's like a gap down here. See if I can get it back in there like that.
I can't tell if I gotta do that.
Yeah, that's not much better. Not much better than it was before. So it's in there though. See back inside here there's some empty spaces, and I stuck the plug back inside there. Or back inside here there's some empty spaces in the plastic, the gray plastic. I stuck that plug back in there. So hopefully it's okay. Okay, then we'll put the cover back on. It's hitting something here. Okay. So, moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the charger for a while first.
Does it say that on it? Didn't no paper with it or nothing?
No. It used to be with the batteries that you had to make sure they were fully charged the first couple times. With the newer batteries you don't have to bother, but there's no directions with this one. So I'm just going to put it on the charger for a while. See, as soon as you put it on the charger, it starts to blink. So when it's fully charged, it stops. When it's fully charged, it stops blinking. So I think it takes, what, 4 hours or 7 hours to charge? It takes quite a long time.
I don't know, but I got the
Yeah.
paper somewhere here.
Yeah. I know you can go back to some of my previous videos. I think I say in there, but it takes a long time to charge. I read one comment. The fella said he put it on the charger for 15 minutes and it didn't work. Well, yeah, it takes like 8 hours to charge. So, okay, so this is a Shark OEM battery, and the model is XB as in boy, T as in Tom, 1106N. So XBT 1106N. N as in Nora. Okay, and then on the other model that I was talking about, I think it's the battery that's more wider. After the N, there's a dash and another letter or something like that. Okay, then down below it says, for SV1106N series models only. For SV1106N series models only. It says 10.8 volt. Okay, so that would be the important part. I think some of them are 14. So 10.8 volt. And then 2.1 AH. I think AH is amps, but I'm not sure. 2.1 AH. And then just a Ni MH battery is Ni-MH battery. And the same thing, I think, in French or something like that. It says, do not incinerate. For replacement battery pack, visit sharkclean.com or call 1-800. So small, I can't even read it with a magnifying glass. You know, 1-800-796-7398. 1-800-798-7398. 1-800-798-7398. I think it's 8.
Well,
be a 6.
But if they bought a shark, save all your papers from it,
Yeah.
because it'll be on the paper.
So here, see, there's no model number here. They're saying for model SV1106. See, there's no model number here on the front. Maybe there's one here on the back.
Or on the bottom.
There's a bunch of writing here, but it's all gray. Shark Clean 1-800-798-7398 for replacement parts. Yeah, I don't see that model number anywhere.
Well, I don't know, but whenever you buy something, always save your pamphlets and everything that come with it.
Yeah, put it in your filing cabinet with all your important papers.
And write the date you bought it.
Yeah, you keep the receipt. The store you bought it at, right? Okay, so we might as well test it, and just so we can finish up the. Cutting out.
Okay.
Okay, so it might not be fully charged. So we'll let it charge, and if there's a problem, I'll put it down in the comments. Okay, see ya. Bye.